Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're talking about something that will completely stabilize and scale your digital income: adding subscription revenue to your business. Now let's be clear. One-time sales will get you cash, but subscriptions build wealth. They give your business predictable income, monthly stability, and breathing room. So instead of starting every month from zero, you're stacking your income on autopilot. Let's break down exactly what subscription income is, how to set it up, what offers work best, and how to keep your retention high so people stay month after month. What is subscription income? Subscription income is recurring revenue. It means someone is charged weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, automatically, to stay inside your program, access your content, or stay connected to your service. This model is also called MRR, monthly recurring revenue. It's the opposite of launch and pray. It's the foundation that lets you scale with peace of mind. Why add it to your business? Here's why subscriptions are a power move. Predictability. You know what's coming in every month. Stability. You can plan hires, launches, and investments more confidently. Compounding growth. 20 members this month. 20 next month. 40 by month 2, not starting from zero. Simplicity. You can serve deeply instead of constantly selling. Customer lifetime value. One member who stays for 12 months is worth more than 10 random low-ticket buyers. The key is offering ongoing transformation, not just a one-time result. What kinds of subscription offers work? You don't have to run a giant membership site or create content 24/7. Here are 4 subscription models that are simple to launch and powerful to scale. 1. Digital memberships, Content Vault. This is where people pay monthly to access a growing library of digital content: trainings, templates, tutorials, audios, or mini courses. Great for coaches, educators, and creators who already create content weekly. Repackaging past lives, masterclasses, or digital products into an organized vault. Tip: keep the promise simple. 1 new drop per month is often enough. 2. Support circles, coaching communities. This is where the subscription includes access to a private community, group coaching calls, or accountability check-ins. Great for service-based pros, fitness, wellness, business. People who've already bought a product and want ongoing support. Tip: include voice memo access, monthly Zoom calls, or check-in prompts. 3. Toolkits or template clubs. This is where members receive new plug-and-play tools each month. Think Canva templates, caption packs, sales scripts, or email swipes. Great for designers, marketers, writers, and digital strategists. Audiences that crave done-for-you solutions they can grab and go. Tip: set themes per month. February, Launch Kit. March, Lead Magnet Pack. 4. Private access subscriptions. These are ultra-simple, high-perceived value models where subscribers pay to get close proximity to you. Private voice notes, exclusive behind-the-scenes, hot seat coaching, or real-time insights. Great for experts with strong personal brands, thought leaders, authors, and mentors. Tip: think of this like Patreon meets Mastermind, but lean. Pricing strategy. You can start simple. $9.19 month for a mini content vault or template club. $27 to $47 month for monthly coaching calls or community access. $97 to $97 month for premium proximity or high-touch support. Don't undercharge just because it's a subscription. Recurring value deserves recurring income. Your subscription price should reflect access, transformation, and ease. Also, don't forget annual plans. Some people want to pay once and be done. Offer 2 months free if they commit for a year. This boosts your upfront cash flow and long-term retention. What to include to keep people subscribed?